Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the header drop-down menu and add multi-level options in Shopify using the Dawn theme. This feature can really enhance the navigation on your site and make it much easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access the site editor in your Shopify account. Once you're there, focus your attention on the header section. Click on the header, and over on the right panel, you'll see a variety of customization options. This is where you can tweak things like the type of drop-down menu you want to use, whether it's a simple one-tier menu or a more complex multi-level setup. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with these options, as they'll be key in fine-tuning your site's navigation experience. For example, you might want to choose a slide-in effect for the drop-down, or enable hover functionality for a smoother user experience. Now, if you're looking to add multi-level menus, that's going to take a few more steps. Multi-level menus are incredibly helpful when you have a large catalog of products or services that need clear categorization. Let's head back to the Shopify admin dashboard, which is really the command center for your online store. On this dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. From there, click on Content and then choose Navigation. This is where the magic happens in terms of organizing your navigation structure. Once you're in the menu section, you'll already see a menu titled Main Menu, which serves as the primary hub for navigation links on your header menu. Go ahead and click on Main Menu to take a closer look at how it's set up. Here, you can see all the current navigation links. These are the options that your visitors will see on your site. If you've already added categories or pages, they'll be listed here. But now, we're going to focus on creating that multi-level structure for better organization. Now, let's transform this into a multi-level navigation system. This is handy if you want to categorize items under broader headings, providing your customers with an intuitive browsing experience. For example, if you sell clothing, you could have top-level categories like men, women, and accessories, and then have subcategories like shirts, pants, and jackets nested underneath them. To create more layers within your menu, simply choose an option that you want to categorize. Click and drag this option slightly to the right, placing it under the corresponding parent option. Once you've done that, it will convert into a child option for the menu item directly above it. Feel free to repeat this drag and drop method for as many items as you need, creating an organized and easy-to-navigate menu system. This is particularly useful if you have several product categories, services, or any other information that requires clear categorization for your visitors. For instance, if you offer both physical and digital products, a multi-level menu would help customers quickly distinguish between those options. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click on the Save button, and your multi-level menu structure will be live on your site. It's always a good idea to preview your site after saving to ensure everything is working as expected and that the new structure is clear to your customers. And there you have it. With these steps, your Shopify store will have a well-organized, user-friendly header menu. It not only enhances the appearance of your site, but makes navigation a breeze for your customers, improving their shopping experience. Keep experimenting with different configurations until you find what best suits your store's needs. The more intuitive and accessible you make your menu, the more likely it is that customers will stay on your site and explore what you have to offer. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing. I hope these tips help you build a more efficient and user-friendly navigation system.